What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. Thank you for joining me on another NFA video. I wanted to upload a video here talking about AMC, give you a little bit of an update. Not too many things have changed right now, but we are seeing some positive movement for AMC, which is always a great thing, especially while we're looking at the crypto market on my other channel. We're not really seeing much movement that's happened over there. If it is movement, we're seeing some negative movement that's happening over there. So it's always great to see something positive that's happening within my portfolio and as well as maybe your portfolio. I mean, you're looking at this video for a reason, right? Um, but anyways, I wanted to talk about the success that we're seeing with AMC today, go over different numbers to see if we've hit certain percentages and all that stuff. Mainly just give you a standard update within this position and just continue to keep you guys updated on what's happening with my most invested position in the stock market. But guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. If you guys want to, use the platform that I'm using, it's Webull. Link should be in the description if you guys want to sign up using my link. And I believe you get free stocks if you do sign up using that link. So, feel free to do so. It's a great platform. Honestly, I really do like the way it's all set up. Way better than Fidelity, way better than Ally, and I use both of those consistently, but I feel like I just get a better better everything really with Webull. But let's go ahead and talk about AMC today. If you don't know, I invested from the beginning $16,000 into AMC. I eventually took my initial investment out of AMC and left some that's in there. I did reinvest some of it, at which I believe that I grew the amount that I took out to a whole nother level with crypto. But now obviously crypto has taken a pretty hard fall and we're waiting for that to pick up. But I still have a lot of AMC. I even have some in my Roth IRA, just so that when we do see things blow up, that will be the last portion that I sell because it's going to be the largest amount, hopefully. But we know that AMC has been shorted quite a bit, and we've gone over different short figures, and recently they've been kind of climbing. So we're going to look at that as well. So let's look at what AMC is doing today. The market is about to close. We are literally 1 minute away from the market closing. It is 3:59. Well, now it is 4 p.m. So the market has officially closed, and we saw it up 7.33% or 33 or 34 cents. Now, we did see this a lot higher recently. We saw this at about $8. It was opening, at $5 plus, getting up to $6 and such. So we saw this at a much higher point, but it was definitely attacked. We saw shorting that was going on, a lot of selling that was going on because of those shorts, right? People react to what's happening. So if a large amount of money goes through in shorts, people are going to say, you know what, I need to get out of this position and accept my losses, or maybe I should short as well, right? You're going to have day traders that get into that and do that. Now, those are short-term, shorts that you may see, which is perfectly fine. But those short-term shorts are partnered up with their longer-term shorts, and maybe some of them are short-term to where they just continually short, and that's why you see the volume that's at about 50% or 60% short on the day, because they're shorting it, covering those shorts, shorting it again, covering those shorts. Or they'll say shorting it, it'll go down like this, and then people will also continue with those shorts. So you'll see retail traders that add on to that as well as sell, and you'll see it pull down. And then you'll see they cover their shorts at a lower level, making some money. When they start covering, it starts climbing, people start buying, then they end up shorting again. And they just do it over and over and over and over again until they see a price where, or a gain that they're happy with, right? It could be a price, it could be a gain that they want to have. But anyways, during the day, we saw this pick up right in the beginning of the day. We saw it pick up, bounce off of the 200 EMA, climb to about $4.95. Then it came back down to the 200 EMA to where it did bounce off of it, increase all the way up to over $5. So it wasn't even like resisting from $5. It was over that $5 mark. I guess some shorters, or even just random people saw that it was overbought at 81 on the RSI, 81, 83 on the RSI. So then you see that it starts to fall down a little bit, decreases down to the 200 EMA as well as the the VWAP bounces off of that level and it does increase a little bit more, getting back to sort of close to the previous highs, right? Over the $5 mark, $5.04 mark. But then now we see it close just below $5. And up about 7.3% or 34 cents, which is not horrible. And the great thing is seeing the volume, right? How much positivity we're seeing today and seeing this volume, 36 million shares worth of volume is fantastic. Seeing an average of 23 and seeing the overall at 36 is absolutely amazing. I can say that that's a good thing. Now, I did want to go into more of the Ortex data. I feel like Ortex data is just always great, especially as we've been seeing the short interest climb. So currently, if we look at the shorts, we're at 29.47% of short interest of free float, which is up 12 or almost 13% over the last 3 months. 93% short score, so it's still very, very strong on the shorts. They're still not giving up on that end, even though we're seeing some positivity. If we go and look at how much the short interest has been, I mean, you're looking at the 28th here, and it was 63%. Let me go ahead and refresh this a little bit just to make sure we have the most up-to-date data. Hopefully it does, there. So 63% short volume ratio. So out of all the volume, you're looking at 63%, 57%, 54. You see how much this has been shorted. We've seen 70% from time to time, and that just doesn't feel good for a person that's investing into it that believes in the overall business. And I understand if a lot of people don't believe in it, just like people can believe in it, they can buy all that they want. But seeing one company, seeing one, hedge fund that's consistently shorting, or multiple hedge funds that are consistently shorting in tandem in order to kind of collapse AMC just doesn't sit well with me, and it shouldn't sit well with you. I mean, they did it to Toys R Us, which was one of my childhood memories, because I was a poor child growing up, and the best thing that I can get wasn't going to amusement parks or anything like that. It was going to Toys R Us. It was going to movie theaters. And it seems like they're trying to maybe they're targeting me. They're trying to take everything of my childhood that was great, that I want my children to experience, plus, all of the other things on top of it, like amusement parks and all those different things. But I want them to experience that and love that, because it is a part of my life, even a part of my marriage. Our whole relationship was built off of movies. We saw, at one point, we went to the movie theater 4 times. We saw a movie Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, because there were so many movies in theaters, and we love going to movie theaters because movies and stories just, take you out of the world that you're living in, right? And bring you into a new story, just for a brief moment. It might be an hour, it might be 2 hours, hell, it might be 3 hours, because, Avengers Endgame. So anyways, that's where AMC stands. We'll continue to give you an update on where things are, but I wanted to consistently give you an update on this channel, so hopefully you enjoy that. Guys, let me know what you think about AMC and what they're doing, right? It's great to see positivity today, but you feel like that's going to be, I feel like at least that's going to be partnered with negativity tomorrow. I hope that it's not. I hope that it continues to push and we don't see a massive amount of shorts that are going through and this rises above 30%, well above 30%. But you never know. You really never know. So guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. I'm going to get out of here, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.